Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a burger prismatic. This unique culinary creation focuses on visual appeal, transforming a simple burger into a stunning, multifaceted masterpiece. We'll explore the essential steps, from selecting the right ingredients to mastering the art of precise assembly, ensuring every layer contributes to its dazzling effect. Get ready to elevate your burger game to an entirely new level of artistry. To achieve our prismatic effect, ingredient preparation is key. First, form a lean ground beef patty infused with beet juice for a deep red hue, weighing approximately 1/3 of a pound. Next, blend ripe avocados with lime juice for a smooth, bright green crema. Slice sharp yellow cheddar cheese into perfectly square, thin pieces. Finally, julienne purple cabbage and orange carrots into fine, even strips, ready for precise layering. Now for the crucial layering technique that defines our prismatic burger. Begin by placing your perfectly cooked, vibrant beet patty on the bottom bun. Next, spread a thin, even layer of the bright green avocado crema across the patty. Carefully arrange 4 square slices of yellow cheddar cheese in a precise diamond pattern. Finally, neatly stack the julienne purple cabbage and orange carrots, creating distinct, colorful bands. For the grand finale, carefully place the top bun onto your meticulously layered creation, pressing down gently to secure the components without disturbing their arrangement. The most critical step for showcasing its prismatic beauty is to slice the burger precisely down the center, revealing all the vibrant, distinct layers. Garnish with a single sprig of fresh cilantro or parsley for an elegant touch. Serve immediately to impress with this truly unique, visually stunning burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.